Today I'm giving you a full Hostinger review. Is it really the perfect hosting provider? What's missing and is it worth your money? What's great about Hostinger? Affordable pricing. Plans often start at just a few dollars a month, making it one of the cheapest hosting options. Fast performance thanks to Lightspeed servers and built-in caching. Easy to use H panel. Simpler than cPanel. And this is great for beginners. It includes free SSL, free domain, and weekly backups in most plans. It supports WordPress, e-commerce, and built-in website builder. What's lacking in any catches? Cheapest plans only allow one website and limited storage. No free daily backups on lower tier plans, only weekly. Renewal prices are higher than the initial promo rates. Customer support is chat only. No phone support. Real value check. For beginners, small businesses, or freelancers, Hostinger is amazing value for money. You get reliable hosting, good speed, and solid features at a low price. But if you need an enterprise level hosting or want advanced tools like staging environments or priority support, you might outgrow it.